Hi everyone, my name is Amir Khan and this is my demonstrative speech. So the technology I chose to talk to you all about today is the Clock app. So the Clock app comes standard with Apple products, which is really nice that it's free. And it also has 4 modes: world clock, alarm, stopwatch, and timer. It's also very easy to navigate, so it won't take a long time to get to know it all. So the biggest thing on this app that I think any college student or anyone with a busy schedule should use it for is time management. The app allows you to set multiple timers, not timers, alarms, so it's easy to get to know things. What time is it, pretty much. So you can use it to set all of your classes, just like on this picture on the right that's actually all of my classes that I set into the alarm, so I never miss a class and I'm never late. It helps out a lot. I used to have them set to 2 minutes before because that helps out a lot too, but now it's just set to right when the class starts. Another thing is lab assistance. This app comes with a stopwatch and a timer. So stopwatch you can use to measure the time reactions, and it comes with a lap button. So the lap button you can click and it will show how long that first lap was and then start a next lap time over, but still keep the time going at the top. So it's pretty nice to see how long each changes, and you can compare the data if you need to. So another thing is this app can help with life skills. Since we are all college students and Harrisburg does give out apartments, we have to learn to cook for ourselves. So this app comes with a timer. So the timer can help us never burn our food when we're learning to cook. You can set a timer's range. The timer's range sets from 1 second to 23 hours, 59 minutes, and 59 seconds. So you can set it for a whole day pretty much. But I don't think you cook food for that long unless you're letting it marinate. But yeah, I think this app helps a lot and can help you learn to cook because you won't burn your food. And so overall, this app is just a pocket-sized time manager and lab assistant. So I think any college student should utilize this app since it comes free with iPhone and you don't have to use it. And I'm pretty sure Android has them too. It's a clock app, like that's it. It's makes my life in college a lot easier because I suck at time management, and I think that this thing should be used for everyone. So I hope you enjoyed my presentation on the Clock app. So thank you and have a good day, and these are my references for the image. Thank you.